Alright, here we have my Arduino with a ridiculous amount of wiring. Also on it is a shield with an accelerometer and a rate gyro. I also have some code running on it that spits out some pulse position modulated signals, which you can actually see here. Alright, on my scope. And what I actually did was hook this up to the Arduino in a way that the information from our sensors will actually change the width of the pulses in the pulse modulated signal. As you can see, if I shake this around, you'll actually see the pulses change. Alright. And next I'm going to hook up the Arduino so you can see that I'm actually going to be able to talk to my transmitter. Alright, using that pulse position modulated signal. And from the transmitter, I'll be able to send some information to this airplane, which had an accident, but I'm not worried about it because it wasn't really meant to fly. This was just something we did for a project in class. Alright, so there we go. Alright, it's going to take a little bit of effort because I only have one hand. I'm trying to do this all at the same time. So I'm hooking up a regular audio cable that I have hooked up to the Arduino. Alright, to the back of my receiver. You can hear it connects. And the no trainer signal is gone. So now it's reading the pulse position information that I'm sending to it. Right now it has nothing to send to because I don't have the airplane on, but let me do that right now. Alright. Excuse me, this is a little difficult for me to do this, but let me go ahead and connect the battery. Alright. So the airplane's connected. Let's see if I'm actually let's see if the transmitter is slave to it right now. Let's see. No, it's not. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, there we go. So now it's hooked up. Alright. So let's hook this cable back in. Okay. So now let's stick this on trainer. And I should be able to command all the control surfaces using the Arduino. Alright, let's do that again. Let's hold it so you can see it. Hopefully this will be helpful to you. So now it's hooked up to the Arduino. And you can see when I move this, the control surfaces move accordingly. Alright, so these sensors were actually meant for a project for my EE 505 class, which is Advanced Mechatronics, and the aircraft was supposed to be a display that actually sat stationary inside a wind tunnel with the sensors mounted to the bottom. So these sensors will actually be mounted at the bottom on a stationary gimbal. Alright, so that's the origins of this. This isn't really meant to go on anything that actually flies, and this is great that I actually designed this because this will be the precursor to the quadcopter I'll be designing. So I'll show you in another video that this actually has all the necessary coding to spit out attitude information, including roll and pitch, um, in Euler angles, and I'll show that in the next video. Do that one more time so you can see it. Let's go ahead and hook this up. Take the Arduino. All right, thanks again.